Hello and welcome to No Excuses. Jason and I used to hike an awful lot, and then life got in the way and we stopped. But that recently changed. We decided to go out for a hike, and it was amazing. It brought back so many memories of different hikes. Just being back out on the trail for this one time reminded us of how much we loved it and how much we missed it. I am sweating. I always get amused at people that have music playing in the woods.
Yeah.
Isn't that part of the fun of
It is for me.
hiking, is just hearing nature? And I just did that and a drop of sweat just like fell off of me. But yeah, for me that's part of the fun of being in nature, is the quiet.
That's the way I look at it.
Yeah, that sound of wind in the trees.
I guess some people look at it just as a workout, though.
No, being out hiking for me is like cleansing my soul. I do deep thinking out here. Yeah, it's just better. It might have cleansed my soul, but it was a difficult hike. But I think it's taking us the whole way up too. So if we're here, we parked at East. We've actually, yeah, you just want to try the whole loop? I don't know how difficult it's going to be.
What is it, 5 miles?
Pull that thing out.
I think it says right here. You said the blue, right?
Blue trail. No, we're going to stick on the white.
Oh, yeah, I don't think the white's very long.
Okay. Oh, it's only 2.5 miles. Let's keep going.
We'll have to add something under that.
Yeah. We can come back and grab the orange or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, we can always connect stuff together.
Well, also remember that the 2.5 mile loop,
Yeah.
I think, is going to take us down to that parking area, down to the building at the very bottom,
Okay.
which means we have to climb back up. We might be toast. I was right. We went down, and then the climb back up was brutal. Steep, steep, steep. We might be. This is a pretty steep incline.
Yeah. Take the bike down there. Up.
I'm struggling climbing it.
Oh, I can climb the bike, I'll tell you that.
This wasn't even near the steepness that we climbed at the end, and I was breathing like a freight train. I love it.
Man, we were up here pretty good, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. But it was worth it. We had great views and an old ruin to go check out. House. Shed.
They did it right, too. It's got a slate roof on it. Put some time into that. I like to see what this cabin looks like. When you?
Yeah, it looks like it's tile floor in the back.
Yeah. I think that's where the cook stove's at.
Yeah. We can go up the front. I'm going to go up the front steps.
It's made very well.
Well, that loop was supposed to be 2.5 miles. It was more like 4 miles, and the last mile was all uphill, straight uphill. But, Jason, you want to say it? It was straight uphill. And we did it. We said we'd come back and do it again, because there are no excuses.